How about some magic? This isn't right, Blaze. We gotta change him.
You gotta change him? How are you gonna do that?
Shake him.
Shake him?
That's better.
Wow. So what is that?
Flying Toby and Blaze.
And how does it work? Wow, are you pressing a button to make those wings come out?
No,
How do the wings come out?
I just lift it up.
You lift it up,
Yeah.
and how do you make the wings go away?
Just put it down.
Wow. That's really cool. Wow. So what do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yep.
Pretty cool, huh? Whoa, he's doing a wheelie. You want to bring him closer to the camera? So we can get a good close-up? So what is the button on the roof do, or the hood? What does that button do?
Check this out.
Ooh, check this out. Whoa, so what'd you do? You just lifted him up a little bit and his wings came out?
No, I made the back wheels go up, so now and then it just comes up. And then they just pop out. That's how the wings work.
The wings work from the back wheels? Wow, that's really cool.
Like our videos and subscribe.
Peter, how did you do that?